Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to write 10 birds name in English and Bengali, and I hope these videos might help some students learn simple words in English and Bengali. Let's get started. Number 1, in English, parrot. In Bengali, tia pakhi. Number 2, in English, owl. In Bengali, pecha. Number 3, in English, crow. In Bengali, cock. Number 4, in English, peacock. In Bengali, moyur. Number 5, in English, bat. In Bengali, badur. Number 6, in English, hen. In Bengali, murgi. Number 7, in English, pigeon. In Bengali, paira. Number 8, in English, cock. In Bengali, morog. Number 9, in English, cuckoo. In Bengali, kokil. Number 10, in English, sparrow. In Bengali, chorui pakhi. That is the end of today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video and like this video. If you have any question, comment below. Okay, bye guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.